Good day mga ka-district, this is Jen again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, another survey site or application tayo kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online. By the way guys, pwede kang kumita dito ng 30 up to 180 pesos per survey. At guys, trusted provider ito dito sa Pilipinas. At by the way guys, kahit i-google nyo pa siya, malalaman yung legit at 100% paying ang application or website na ito. And to start guys, syempre kailangan yung mag-join sa Mobrog application or sa Mobrog website. So ang application guys is Mobrog, under siya ng lifestyle, at ang website naman ay www.mobrog.com. Ang next guys is of course to qualify. Para mag-qualify ka, make sure na 100% complete ang iyong profile. At make sure din guys na pag sumasagot kayo sa surveys or qualifying question, kung ang nakalagay sa account nyo is 25 years old kayo, dapat po 25 years old din yung isa-select nyo. Kasi kung hindi po magmamatch, may chance na hindi kayo makapasok sa qualifying round. Ang next naman guys is to complete the survey. Again, make sure to answer it honestly. And by the way guys, kapag nakakuha kayo ng survey, make sure to answer it right away. Kasi kapag hindi nyo po sinagutan, may time na nag-close yung mismong survey. Kung halimbawa, ang hinahanap nila is 100 responses at may nag-100 response na dun sa may survey nila, hindi na mag-open yung survey ulit. And syempre guys, kapag na-complete nyo na, dun na kayo magkakaroon ng earning. Sa website nila guys, lalabas dun na 5 euros yung requirement. Pero pag sa application, lalabas dun na 250 pesos lang. And take note guys, it take up to 30 minutes bago nyo ma-receive yung cash out ninyo. Pero sa akin, umabot lang siya ng 5 minutes. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any question, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!